Today we are going to do a quick review of the MotoWork Flatfoot, which is essentially a way to make this tiny little kickstand foot pad quite a bit bigger. If you're not familiar with MotoWork, they're a company out of California. You can get on their website, motoworkstore.com, and find a lot of parts for Kawasaki Versys 650. On there, this is actually the Flatfoot that we're going to be putting on the bottom of the bike, considerably larger than the stock footprint. The plate that holds it on, the spring that goes between those two, and you get 4 screws with it, all wrapped in bubble wrap and individual plastic bags. So nicely put together, made in the USA, can't go wrong there. For quick comparison, there's the stock per footprint. Here's what you're going to end up with. Quite a bit more, quite a bit bigger. Now supposedly this will all fit up in there and not touch the chain, impact anything, so we'll find out shortly. Now this is so easy, and with the instructions that are on their website, not a lot of point to making a video, but I'll do it anyway. Just so you know, the only thing you need really is either a helping hand to hold the bike up, or you need some sort of stand to support the bike so you can get the kickstand off the ground and move it around. First thing you want to do is take this piece. It's a top plate. It's got the pointy end on it. That's going to be fed up through kickstand. And always harder to do with one hand, but you feed that through, and then it just will sit on top there. Now, one of the reasons I selected this one over the multiple other choices out there is because of this little spring. Now, the spring is going to fit up between here and here. It goes into this part right here. There's a little notch to hold it in place. That helps supposedly keep it level, give it a little movement when you're on uneven ground. Final step really is take this base plate. We're going to put it diamond plate side down, and the V in it matches the V in the outside of this, so the V's point to the outside. You're going to put that on there, connect these, and then put the 4 screws through there to hold it together. One final thing, it's easy just to put your first screw in to kind of hold the whole contraption together, and then you're going to flip up. There you have it. Flipped up. It doesn't plenty of clearance, doesn't touch anything. You can fit a finger between it, and then just put the remaining 4 screws in. Make sure your spring stays in there. You can see it. I can't really see it, but it's in there in between the 2 plates, and then you're done. I'll take another picture of it when it's sitting on the ground so you can see what it looks like, but otherwise pretty easy install. Just go to motowork.com and they have the installation instructions right there. All right, there it is, the completed piece. You'll see it has a little bit of spring in it, keeps it in place, but yet allows it to adjust to the uneven ground. So this is it off the ground, up, no problem. It's right up there, it doesn't hit anything, and it comes down, locks into place. One last shot, there she is sitting on the ground, and you can see it's nice and stable, even though it's very flat ground, but you get the idea. Take it off-road, park it on some grass, you'll see how it works.